This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Moritz. Welcome home to your personal treehouse. Unobstructed window wall opens to panoramic views of State Park with privacy just a short distance to the beach. Enjoy indoor/outdoor living with decks and balconies galore. Flexible floor plan invites your imagination as well as multi-generations. First floor wet bar sets the stage for easy entertaining or relaxing by the fireplace. This special home delivers fun and function for all 4 seasons. For more information, review the details below.